Hi there, this is the ENIAC team. Today, we're excited to introduce our new feature, Workspace. In our Flexbar Designer, the preview panel displays a virtual device at the top. The key library is on the right. When you select any key, in this case, we drag and drop a Workspace key. Then, settings for the key will appear in the Configuration panel. The Workspace key has now captured all your currently open windows. Remove any unnecessary windows. For example, we have a coding setup here. Drag the windows to the position you want them to be. We will be recreating this setup using the Workspace. Now, get back to the designer. Refresh to record the window position that you just set. You can set additional execution parameters here. For example, I want a ChatGPT page in my browser. Just put the link here. Options for opening or moving windows are here. Don't forget to click the Save button. You can always do a quick test run before uploading the keys to the Flexbar. As you can see, the windows we just recorded are opened and placed into position with just one click. And that's it. Now you can enjoy using your Flexbar to manage your workspace. We hope you love it. Stay tuned for more handy features we'll bring you next time.